Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a new tool in Adobe Illustrator. It's a little long, but it is very interesting. I'm talking about Blend tool. Let's start. The Blend tool is used for merging shapes. By repeat them, like this. I will make an ellipse and choose the fill and stroke. And make another shape and change the color. Choose the blend tool, click on the first one and second one. Now it merging the two shapes by repeat them. To understand it, double click on blend tool and you have here two options: spacing, the kind of repeat, smooth color to make it like a gradient, or specified steps to know the number of repeat. Can make it a small number like 8 and click on preview. Now you can show the shapes are repeated, or you can make it by the distance. And the second one, rotation, to align to the page or align to the path. Click on OK. Now you can show the change on the shape, the border like rounded, make more round to be a circle, and also the color like a gradient from the red to the yellow. After making the blend, you can change the shape like this. I can make it more rounded, or I can change the position of one of them like this. And I can make it only by stroke like this. Now make no fill, and here no fill. And choose blend tool and click on the corner here and the other one here. It make it like a cross. And you can make a gradient in size like this. Make a small ellipse and a big one, and choose a fill like black and no stroke, and here black, no stroke, or make it like gray. And now blend first one and the other one and choose specified steps, make like 5 or 4, like this. And you have a nice features here. If I make an ellipse like it and select the two shapes by shift button and click on object menu, blend, and replace pen to make the first shape in the stroke of the other one. You can also make a wave like this. I will make an path like this and no fill, and make it like blue in stroke, and make copy of it and paste, and choose another color and choose blend. Click on the first one and the second one, make it like a wave. You can make an gradient by two shapes like this. We'll make an ellipse and choose the color and make a triangle, and choose another color. Click on blend tool, first one and second one, and you can decrease the number like this. And you can change the position of one of them like this. And you can make an effect like a 3D by two ellipses like this, one here and another one here. Choose a gradient like this and blend tool, first one and the second one, and make it like 100, and draw anything with pencil like this. Choose the two shapes, object, blend, and replace pen. Now I will make the long shadow effect as an example.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.